It's Shawn Lamb here for Streaming Media Producer at NAB 2019. I'm here with Paul from PTZOptics. And Paul, you have a really neat setup here, so rather than me ask a whole bunch of questions for you, can you take me on a tour of the booth and how you've set up your NDI system here?
Yeah, I guess let's take a look, huh? Hi everybody, Paul Richards here with PTZOptics. I'm at the 2019 NAB show, and I want to show you a little bit about our booth. The PTZOptics slogan is broadcast quality made affordable. And one of the things you're hearing all across the industry is IP video and IP connectivity. The PTZOptics camera line now supports the NewTek NDI, which is one of the leading IP video production tools out there. And I just want to show you quickly the network setup and then really get hands-on with the product in one video. So one of the things I think is so cool is that we have a network router and a PoE network switch that's $50 for the router, $200 for a 28-port switch, and that provides power for the cameras, video for the cameras, and multicast traffic. Sounds crazy. Some people aren't familiar with all of the IP technology. I'm going to briefly run through it with you, and at ptzoptics.com/IP, you can learn a whole lot with tutorials to get you up to speed, because it really makes broadcast video more affordable, and you can do so much more. So just to give you an idea of how we organize our IP video structure, we have all of our cameras written down. They all have static IP addresses. They all have multicast addresses. And then they have what's called an NDI-friendly name. And this is what comes up automatically discoverable with your video production software that supports NDI, such as vMix, Wirecast, OBS, Livestream Studio, the NewTek TriCaster, the list kind of goes on and on. There's 70 different companies here at NAB that are supporting the NewTek NDI. So now, we've got a broadcast area and a PTZOptics wall, and I want to show you kind of how it's set up. So we've got Wirecast running here, we've got vMix running here, we have an IP joystick, and so everything's connected over the network. So this one joystick can control any of the cameras out in and outside of our booth. We're also showing here our brand new Xbox controller. We support Xbox control. It's a USB Xbox controller with our free apps for both Mac and PC. And then if you look over here, we have a little broadcasting studio. So the great thing about pan, tilt, zoom cameras, robotic cameras, is that one or two cameras can get multiple different camera angles. So since they're all connected on the local area network, we can control the cameras with Wirecast, we can control them with the vMix, we can control them with our IP joystick. Lots of possibilities, lots of options. Now, one of the new things we're showing at our booth is called the wireless cable, and you can kind of see the back of it here. I'll kind of take you over here. It's beaming over here. This is built for the world of IP video. It allows you to go 400 meters, okay, roughly like 1,200 feet, wirelessly 300 megabits per second. So it's connecting our broadcast studio over here to our main booth. It's actually connected directly to our brand new 30x NDI-HX camera. So this gives you 30x optical zoom. It's one of the most popular NDI camera models. And then finally, I'll take you over here so you guys can see the rest of the setup. So as I mentioned, all of this is connected together. Wirecast, vMix, OBS, and here we're showing Livestream Studio. So Livestream Studio can bring in any of the 20 NDI cameras that are on our network, and because it supports multicast, they can all pull in the cameras simultaneously. That's what a router can do with multicast traffic, and it doesn't add up more bandwidth, doesn't stack on each other the way unicast does. So here we're showing our 20x and 12x. This is the most popular live streaming camera for PTZ on the market. We actually won the Reader's Choice Award at Streaming Media Magazine for the best PTZ camera on the market. So thank you for everyone who voted for us here. Finally, if I can push these guys out of the way, sorry. These are very popular. These are our Z-Cam models, so just zoom. So it allows you to get a more affordable entry price point without the need for pan, tilt, zoom. But as you can see, they all support the NewTek NDI, so plug and play, power over Ethernet, video and control. We have a 12x, a 20x, and then we have a variable lens model with a wide angle. Starts at just $499. So the takeaway here is that generally one single Ethernet cable can provide power, control, and video simply by connecting to your local area network. So understanding the power of IP and how IP communications work is going to be crucial for making broadcast quality affordable. So check out PTZOptics.com/IP, where you can learn a lot more about how to do more with less and really save a lot of money, but also get into this new generation of IP connectivity with super affordable infrastructure. As you can see, a $250 worth of networking equipment, connecting 5 live streaming systems. Just imagine what you could do. We're only scratching the surface in this video. So take a look and learn more. Hopefully subscribe and like this video and share it with somebody online that you think might enjoy this. Take care, everybody. Bye.
Thank you very much, Paul. This has been very educational. I appreciate it. I know the readers really appreciate a look behind the scenes of the PTZ Optic booth here at NAB 2019. I'm Shawn Lamb for Streaming Media Producer.